If you are a player of the popular game Battlefield 1, you may have encountered the frustrating error code 34601. This error can occur when you are trying to connect to the game's server, and it can prevent you from playing the game altogether. In this video, we'll show you some effective solutions to fix the Battlefield 1 error code 34601 and get you back to playing for your favorite game. Hi, my name is Abhiyanshu Rao, and let's start the video. Solution 1. Reset your internet connection. The first solution is to reset your internet connection. Sometimes the error code 34601 can occur due to network connectivity issues. To fix this, try resetting your router or modem, unplug it from power source, wait for a minute, plug it back in. This should reset your internet connection and potentially fix the error. Solution 2. Check for server updates. Another potential cause of the error code 34601 is outdated servers. Battlefield 1 servers need to be regularly updated to ensure smooth gameplay. If the servers are outdated, it can cause issues with the game's performance, including the error code 34601. To check for server updates, visit the Battlefield 1 official website and look for any updates or patches. If there are any available, download and install them and try connecting to the game servers again. Solution 3. Reinstall the game. If the previous solutions don't work, it's time to try a more drastic solution: reinstalling the game. This will completely remove the game from your computer or console and install a fresh version. First, uninstall the game from your computer or console settings. Then restart your computer or console and reinstall the game. This should fix any potential issues with the game's files and potentially fix the error code 34601. Solution 4. Contact EA support. If none of the solutions work, it's time to contact EA support. They will be able to provide you with more specific and personalized solutions to fix the error code 34601. To contact EA support, visit their official website and look for support section. You can either contact them through live chat, email or phone depending on your preference. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Battlefield 1 error code 34601 is frustrating for any player, but with these solutions, you would be able to fix the issue and get back to playing the game. Your internet connection, checking for server updates, reinstalling the game, and contacting EA support are all effective solutions to fix the error code 34601. Try these solutions one by one until you find the one that works best for you. We hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.